Hey everyone, how we doing? What are these two doing on the channel together? My darkest juice, featured it like three times. Instagram, Barrister, Mann, darkest juice I own. The barbershop of barbershops, a fougere, a shipwray. What's going on? What is going on? A wild, classic, modern shipwray take. My aromathetique. Barrister, Mann. It has nothing to do with the fougere and shipwright. It has to do with the man behind this. William Mann of Barrister Mann House. Popular in the shaving community. Bogue, my Antonio Gardoni. One of my favorite perfumers. T-Rex. Mem. Can't touch Mem. Merge. These two merge. And give us Berceuse, brand new house. From, I don't know if it's both the guys behind Barrister Mann. If William Mann owns Barrister Mann, I don't know what it is, but he's from there. 3 years in the making, he's been going back and forth with Antonio, my favorite perfumer. So when I heard this coming out, had to have it. Here I am doing unboxings and openings, first sniffs. There's no shame here. I'll do it. I'll fumble. I'll do whatever. Man, I've come a long way in a year. It's almost a year ago I did the Heretic video. All right, Berceuse. Check out that. Oh, they got fancy boxes. They know their branding in the shaving market. I mean, they even have printing on the outside. So they're ready for this. This perfume was made after Beethoven's 7th Symphony. It's huge. It's huge. Look at that. I got my name printed on an invoice. I got some stickers. I got 2 little stickers. You'll see in the back of my live streams on my little sticker cabinet. I'll put them up there. This is just an invoice. What is the notes with the invoices? That's different. Tell that vendors. I've heard, I don't think this has come from me, but this is funny. There's a lot of people here. Vancouver, BC is my favorite city on earth. I've heard, this is the personal note to me. I'll read it. I've heard tell that Vancouver, Washington is even lovelier than its Canadian counterpart. I certainly hope that's true. Thank you, WM. That's funny. I love my Vancouver perfume peeps. I love the city of BC, Vancouver. Maybe I should own Vancouver, Washington more. I always tell people I'm from Portland. All right, you're here for the show. You're not here for that. So tissue paper. Also, I mean, this is the branding tissue paper, dang it. So he has connections from his other stuff. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's the perfume's logo. Sample boxes even. This is ALLEGRETTO 7.2. Antonio Gardoni, there he is. This is out of New York. I guess you gotta have your game together in New York. Let's see, is it an atomizer? That's what I care about. It's the only thing I care about. It's an atomizer and not a dabber. Come on, Lucky Cent, just charge $0.25 more. Give us atomizers. Okay. No, not a rant here. It's an atomizer. Oh. I just pulled it off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I screw it up? I think I got it back. Let's see. Here we go. I don't know why I do this stuff with you guys for smells. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could close my eyes and tell you that's an Antonio perfume. He's using some of his Back-Aid in this. I have to go back and smell T-Rex. I can't say for sure without smelling it new. At the time, I smelled T-Rex and loved it. I did full review on it. Oh, man. This is Bogue. I mean, this is Antonio. That dirty air, dirty, vibrant air. Your Henley is just this clean, aromatic. Bogue's just got this aromatic air. It's in Mim. It's in Ylang Ylang. I love YY. It's in My. I mean, it's in here. Yeah, the air is just in here. Top and Heart's totally different. So this is after. Wow, there's a dirty note in there. What is that? It's nice. Or like really good nice. My nose is sniffing past the Top and Heart. So sorry for that. Top and Heart florals. Lavender, not like Mim, just like a one note lavender, but so funky, dirty underneath, man. I'm loving the dirty underneath, like dirty leather, dirty raunchy leather, worn, not clean, dirty leather, with his punch in there, and then. A lot of top going on, florals. It was better than I thought. Better than I thought. I mean, you put Beethoven, if you're putting a perfume you're making after Beethoven, I'm like, my goodness. Let's just shoot for the stars right out of the gate. Jeez, this is dirty, man. Wasn't expecting to be this good and dirty. It's not like pretty dirty at all. This dirty. Like old school. I mean, when they're covering up funk kind of thing in the best of ways. High society. That booze vibe I always get from Bogue. Oh, man. I'm going to read notes here. I'm not going to be able to guess. There's a ton of stuff going on here. Just the boozy vibe I get in Mim, and I love Ylang Ylang. I said it both in those. But this is so far punchy dirty with that just, I don't even know if leather's a note, but just worn, greasy leather. You know, a guy that has worn that jacket, motorcycling leather, you know, 20 plus years of wearing that. You smell that jacket, that scent, that kind of thing in the backbone. Tons of Top and Heart that I'm not talking about. That pretty. There's a lot of pretty on the Top and Heart. Definitely up and down. Antonio plays with mixed media really, really exceptional well. I mean, better than he's up there. He's up there. It's hard to play with both medias the way he does. And my goodness. So, I mean, he's just got this pungent layer I keep talking about. And then if you sniff the aromatics here and there, so much more. I get the lavender note like a Mim, but I mean, not Mim. I don't want to say Mim. Mim's its own thing, but just that boozy, that dirty stuff, that air quality. Let's get into notes. I hope they have notes. I haven't even looked. See if the notes. I don't know the notes. I just knew the perfumer. I'm like, done. Barrister and Mann. I found them, and not that, I mean, there'd be so many people turned off at this juice. But it's so unique. I love it in my collection for that reason. It's so dark you don't have to wear that much. 3 sprays literally on me in the next 12 hours. And it's hard to rub off. It's just that super duper barbershop that you want every once in a while. Oh, there's Will right there. That's not who I expected behind the perfume. I don't know if that focused in or not, but didn't look cut. We aim to create perfumes that move you, inspire you, and guide you to breathe in the world around you. Okay. By that, I just know the Beethoven thing. I don't know none of this other stuff. My goodness, I have not been to all of this. I literally went to the sample page of my phone and bought. That's it. I'm having a hard time navigating all this. For one perfume, this site's huge. They must be starting to release a lot of stuff. From first look, it looks like the Sarah Baker. What's that? The eyelash one she has. But hers is way more painted on. This is just, it's like a bottle and painted on eyes. Okay. Allegretto 7.2 notes recede and repeat rhythmically. A fresh mint top note poises in the air like a conductor's baton. That mint I can get while I'm holding my iPad down here. If you hold it close to your nose, everything else overwhelms that mint for me off my skin. But the aromatic, I can pick up the mint cleanly and clearly from here. Like, yeah, I can't when I mean, it's there, but not. There's so much more that it gets lost quick. Soon giving way to swirls of smoke, roots, and moist green leaves. Aromas of fresh turned earth, wild vegetation, joy, lavender, and herbs at the heart. Then as it falls from crescendo, Allegretto settles on a warm base of cedarwood, vanilla, and benzoin with its dynamic, seductive pulse. Allegretto is vetiver transcendent. So, like I have been, I'll put in the notes why I edit my dry down thoughts. So it sounds like it's going to go to a sweet, maybe incense dry down or just sweet amber dry down. The vegetation's there. The green's there. I can hunt the vanilla down in this already. Only because he said that, but it's real faded. Again, I've talked about this many times. 2 different smells. One on the wrist, and then the fume around you. It's we need to spray this on neck too, so I can get the full aromatic as I wear, and I'll update the notes. Anyways, Berceuse, Antonio Gardoni, William Mann. That's the perfume house. Allegretto. Is it Allegretto 7.2 or Allegretto is the perfume? It's Allegretto 7.2 is the first perfume from them. I don't know if Antonio is going to continue on or not, but he's behind the first release, or if it's going to be a zoologist thing and he's going to hunt down different perfumers. I didn't quite get that from anything. Again, I'm in this first the Antonio, and then I was like, oh, Barrister Mann. I was like, cool. So 2 things that my channel's been part of. So that's what I have, an unboxing sample for you. All right, everyone, I'm out. Be blessed. Love you guys.